Hi everyone, today's property is an interesting one and quite different to anything we have featured before. Well located, around halfway between Florence and Lucca, the property includes two villas located side by side. The two villas are currently run as luxury villa rentals with an excellent track record of rental income. One of the two villas dates back to the 18th century, whilst the other is a recent build. The larger of the two offers 7 bedrooms, whilst the smaller of the two offers 3. The villas are finished to a very high standard with functional living spaces and boast great indoor-outdoor flow. It could present an ideal opportunity for someone looking for an income-producing asset, and with the benefit of 2 homes, it could also present an opportunity for someone looking for a lifestyle change, where they could live in one of the homes whilst running the rental activity out of the other. For international buyers, the location is very well connected, with Florence Airport within 25 minutes, Pisa Airport 40 minutes, and Bologna Airport just over an hour away. As always, to keep up to date with our listings, remember to follow us on Instagram and to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Anyway, enough from me. Let's go have a look.